Welcome to the tutorial on how to program the Belize WiFi and Olympia WiFi radiator. The programming offers 3 modes: Eco, Comfort and Anti-Frost. Before you begin, set your preferred temperatures via Menu, Settings, and Temperature Configuration. Use the arrows to increase or decrease the temperature and confirm each mode with the center button. Once the temperatures are set, let's start programming. Press Menu. You can scroll using the up and down temperature buttons. Select User and then Program. The product includes 4 preset programs. However, if none of these meet your needs, you can create one from scratch. To do this, scroll down and select Free Programming. Choose the days of the week you want the program to apply. Use the up and down temperature buttons to scroll and select the relevant days, confirming each with the center button. If you wish to set different programs for individual days or groups of days, repeat the process separately for each group. When you finish, move all the way to the right and select Next. Now, select the times for your program. The screen displays the time in 24-hour format. Use the arrows to move between the hours. Once you have chosen the desired time, confirm with the center button. Pressing once assigns Eco mode, indicated by this icon in the center of the screen. Moving forward will assign and drag the mode of the last selection. Pressing the center button again assigns Comfort mode, shown by this icon in the middle of the screen. If we press a third time, this icon will indicate that we can move around the screen without assigning any mode. When pressing a 4th time, we will see that there is no icon, which indicates that the anti-frost mode or device off mode will be assigned. We will activate this option when we want to deactivate the heating during those hours. Repeat this process as many times as needed. When the cycle is complete and the display returns to 0 hours, OK will appear on the screen. Press the center button to confirm. This confirmation screen will show that the changes have been saved. Make sure the radiator is in automatic mode to activate the program. If the letter M appears on the screen, press the lower button with the clock icon to switch modes. All done. Your Belize WiFi and Olympia WiFi radiator is now programmed to provide personalized heating tailored to your daily routine.